So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Chevron stock on Moomoo. So once Moomoo's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top right and find the magnifying glass at the top. Make sure that you type in ticker symbol CVX. At the top it says Chevron, press on that. Now once you're on Chevron, go to the bottom left, press on trade, and then press on buy. On the buy screen, you can adjust the session type from pre-post market or regular trading hours. The order type as well, you can change that, and where it says quantity, so if you wanted to buy 1 share, that's the price. If you wanted to buy 5 shares, 10 shares, etc., the price will be where it says amount. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, press on the green buy button at the bottom and go through the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Chevron stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.